Hello, welcome back to the vlog, and on today's video we'll be installing the air filter. So we'll be replacing our factory air filter with the AEM dry flow air filter. So this car doesn't even have 500 miles on it, so I think it has like 250 miles on it, but we'll be replacing the air filter, and I'll show you how to quickly replace it. All right, so stay and watch. Thank you. So I'll position this here. So same thing later. Once we put the AEM, I'll make sure I will not touch this in this position. I hope it doesn't fall when I start the engine. So there's still fireworks. All right, so let me press record. Okay, so this is the stock air filter. RPM, idle RPM right now is on 800. Alright, so let me stop this and we'll proceed with the install. Okay, so we have to get this tab in here, and there's another tab in there. So just flip those two and just lift this and just remove the cover. Let me put you on my tripod. Be right back. Okay, so yeah, so let's remove those tabs, so which I already did. And what's inside the box? Oh, this is the 28-20443. I'll put the Amazon link down below. Yeah, they sent me the wrong one the first time, so yep. So this is not oiled. So unlike the K&N, so I know they're the same company, K&N and AEM. But yeah, this one is not oiled, so which is better. At least for my from my experience, I use AEM. But yep, so it has some stick hose in here, and that's basically it. So let's just put that there. We'll put the stickers later. Okay, so let's proceed with the install. Let me just stop this mic here. So I'm gonna keep it in there. So again, to remove the air filter, just remove the two tabs here. And just lift this. Don't really need to remove that, but it's up to you. I might remove because there's some clips actually hanging in there, but I don't know. We'll see. I think I'll remove it. just to make it easier. So I'll remove it from here. You can access the filter now. Okay, so this is the factory filter. See how clean it is? It's still good, basically. I'm gonna keep this, and yep. So this is Denso, of course. And let's compare it on the AEM. So the AEM filter will be thinner. It will be thinner for sure, a little bit. Yep. And the plates is wider for more airflow. For sure the filtration on this one is gonna be better. Yep, so AEM made in the US. So orientation on this one, is it a perfect square? Nope. So orientation, so you position this like this. So AEM logo and the front, facing the front. Make sure you align it properly. Okay, so now let's reassemble it. Now that we put the AEM filter, I just want to put this one now here. Okay, so make sure that you put the two thingy from the cover on the slot. Just align it, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so yeah, so I ended up removing the plug of the map sensor, which you're supposed to do. And I just removed the clips to make it a lot easier. Yeah, so it's back on now. It's very easy to install, quick and easy. So I'm just gonna tighten this one. Wait. Yep, that's good. Don't forget to put the clips back to secure it, and don't forget your map sensor. Just plug it back in. You'll hear a snap. Let's put those back in there. Oh, there you go. Now we'll start it with the AEM air filter. Okay, so there goes the comparison. Well, the AEM. And also don't forget to stick that sticker in there just so that when you get the car service done, your yeah, periodic maintenance, they won't touch your air filter. They might check it, but they won't replace it if it's part of your package, your maintenance package. So yep, so don't forget to install that, just to give them a warning. You can tell the service advisor also that you don't want it replaced. All right. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching.